Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about an essential tools for freelancer, entrepreneur and small business owner, the job estimate tracker. I use spreadsheet to keep track of my business job estimate and generate job estimate and send to my customer. This job estimate tracker is designed to track 12 months of job estimate records with monthly overview and annual overview. It also comes with a job estimate template that allows you to generate job estimate with ease and download in PDF format. This job estimate tracker is suitable for small business owner, freelancers, and anyone who needs to keep track of their job estimate record. In this video, I will explain what a job estimate tracker is and show you step by step on how to use this spreadsheet. The job estimate tracker is a spreadsheet that helps you to create and manage your job estimate, track their status, and follow up with your clients. Before you start using this tracker, you need to go to the Start tab to input your starting month and year. You can input any month and year and it will automatically show all the 12 months from the starting month and year. If you don't use English as your primary language, you can change some of the keywords here to your own language. Next, go to Customer List tab to input your customer details such as customer name, email address, phone number, address, city, state, and zip code. It is for you to keep track of your customer details, and the details allow you to generate job estimate quickly. First, let me show you how to use the job estimate tracker. Go to Job Estimate Tracker tab, input the job estimate number, date of issue, select customer name from the drop-down list, input the customer area or location, enter a simple description about the job estimate, enter the total amount of the job estimate, check the checkbox after you have sent the job estimate to your customer. At the status column, there are 3 different status for you to choose from the drop-down list, whether it has been accepted or rejected, and whether it is still pending that you need to follow up with your client. If the job is accepted, enter the start date, enter the date of completion for the job. After you have entered the start date and end date, it will automatically show the duration or total number of days. After you have selected accepted at the status column and input the start date, the progress column will show ongoing, and after you have input the end date, it will show completed. At the notes column, you can input anything you want. Let's say if the status is pending, you can input, for example, need to follow up to remind you. By tracking the status of each job estimate, you can follow up with your clients in a timely manner and increase chances of converting the estimate into sales. Next is monthly overview. You can select the month from the drop-down list and it will show the summary of that month, such as total job estimate created, total job estimate sent, total job accepted, acceptance rate, total ongoing job, total completed job, and the total value of job accepted. All the job estimate record on the selected month will be listed out on the table below. It helps you keep track of the job estimate issue on that particular month. There is an annual overview which shows an overall summary of 12-month job estimate record. It shows you the total job estimate generated, total job accepted, acceptance rates, total ongoing job, total completed job, and total value of the job accepted. It also shows the summary statistic of every month for all the 12-month periods like job estimate generated, job accepted, acceptance rate, job ongoing, job completed, and total value amount of the job accepted. The bar chart above shows the job ongoing and job completed on each month and job estimate created on each month. Lastly, I will show you how to generate job estimate with this job estimate template. First of all, you need to input your business details such as your own company name, address, phone number, and email address. Next, select the customer name from the drop-down list, and all the customer detail will be shown below. Next, input the job estimate number, date of issue, and expiry date. Manually enter the item's name and description, as well as the total quantity and the price per unit. You can input out to 10 in this job estimate template. If you have less than 10 items, simply highlight the row you want to hide, right-click, and select Hide Rows. If you have more than 10 items, you can select the rows, right-click, and click Insert Rows below. At the bottom of the templates, input your notes or terms such as payment method or payment banking details. After you have completed the job estimate template, go to File, select Download, and select PDF, and click Export. If you are using Chrome browser, you can use extension available to send the job estimate directly to your customer email. That's how I generate job estimate with this spreadsheet. As a conclusion, a job estimate tracker is an essential tool for anyone who wants to manage their job estimate more effectively and efficiently. Whether you are a business owner or a freelancer, using a job estimate tracker can help you create accurate estimate and help you avoid losing track of your estimate, which can lead to missed opportunities or lost revenue. Thank you for watching until the end. Please check the links in the description or comment section below to find out more about this spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and tools to help grow your business. If you have any question or comment, please let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.